How to use X, formerly Twitter, for productivity. If you want to use the X application very productively, there are a couple of steps that you can follow. Now, first of all, when you launch the Twitter app, random tweets from even the people you don't follow is going to be shown to you based on what you've been saying. So if you only want to see the tweets from the people you follow, just go to the following tab. If you have not yet followed anybody, you can choose to follow a couple of communities by tapping on the gear icon located from the top right hand side of the screen. And here you can try pinning a list or community to have easier access to your favorite content. So here you can go ahead and then pin anything that you prefer. Once you've done that, you can also go ahead and then set up some of the privacy settings. Tap your profile from the top left of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Support and go to Settings and Privacy. Then from here you can go to Privacy and Safety. And here you can decide what type of content you see on Twitter. So you can customize your Explore, Search, and Sensitive Media settings. And these are just some of the many ways that you can use your Twitter quite productively. There are many more settings to explore. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.